Hello, friends! Today we're going to have fun learning the English alphabet. Let's learn how to say, write, and recognize each letter so we can start reading and writing amazing words.
Let's learn the letter A. A is for anchor. Anchor starts with the letter A. Anchor. Can you say A? Let's learn the letter B. B is for baby. Baby starts with the letter B. Baby. Can you say B? Let's learn the letter C. C is for carrot. Carrot starts with the letter C. Carrot. Can you say C? Let's learn the letter D. D is for doll. Doll starts with the letter D. Doll. Can you say D? Let's learn the letter E. E is for eye. I starts with the letter E. I. Can you say E? Let's learn the letter F. F is for flower. Flower starts with the letter F. Flower. Can you say F? Let's learn the letter G. G is for gate. Gate starts with the letter G. Gate. Can you say G? Let's learn the letter H. H is for hat. Hats start with the letter H. Hat. Can you say H? Let's learn the letter I. I is for ink. Ink starts with the letter I. Ink. Can you say I? Let's learn the letter J. J is for jar. Jar starts with the letter J. Jar. Can you say J? Let's learn the letter K. K is for kettle. Kettle starts with the letter K. Kettle. Can you say K? Let's learn the letter L. L is for ladder. Ladder starts with the letter L. Ladder. Can you say L? Let's learn the letter M. M is for mango. Mango starts with the letter M. Mango. Can you say M? Let's learn the letter N. N is for nurse. Nurse starts with the letter N. Nurse. Can you say N? Let's learn the letter O. O is for ostrich. Ostrich starts with the letter O. Orange. Can you say O? Let's learn the letter P. P is for pale. Pale starts with the letter P. Pale. Can you say P? Let's learn the letter Q. Q is for quail. Quail starts with the letter Q. Quail. Can you say Q? Let's learn the letter R. R is for ring. Ring starts with the letter R. Ring. Can you say R? Let's learn the letter S. S is for ship. Ship starts with the letter S. Ship. Can you say S? Let's learn the letter T. T is for table. Table starts with the letter T. Table. Can you say T? Let's learn the letter U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella starts with the letter U. Umbrella. Can you say U? Let's learn the letter V. V is for volcano. Volcano starts with the letter V. Volcano. Can you say V? Let's learn the letter W. W is for window. Window starts with the letter W. Window. Can you say W? Let's learn the letter X. X is for Xerox. Xerox starts with the letter X. Xerox. Can you say X? Let's learn the letter Y. Y is for yarn. Yarn starts with the letter Y. Yarn. Can you say Y? Let's learn the letter Z. Z is for zigzag. Zigzag starts with the letter Z. Zigzag. Can you say D?